Sounds to develop, 2. Loves, doves. Loves, doves. There are many doves in that field. Love, loves. I love you. You love that? We love food. He loves to play that game. She loves her children so much. Live, lives. Leave, leaves. I live in the USA. He lives with his mom. I won't leave you. I will stay with you forever. She leaves home with her kids at 7:40. Fingers, toes, eyes, nose. Fingers, toes, eyes, nose. Fingers, toes, eyes, nose. Nice, rice, mice, ice. What's the difference? S, Z are very similar sounds. The snake ate a snack. In the throat, there is the voice box. In English, or almost any language, some sounds are voiced, which means the voice box is used. Other sounds are voiceless, which means they do not use the voice box. S, S, S is voiceless. Z, Z, you'll feel the vibration, is voiced. Easier, busier, lazier. Easier, busier, lazier. They're busier on Monday. It's easier to learn vocabulary than pronunciation. That lion is lazier than the monkey. Might, light, night, fight, sight, white, kite. Mike, right. It might rain tomorrow. They play soccer at night. That light bulb needs to be changed. It doesn't work anymore. He has good eyesight. Hey kids, don't fight. Sounds are not always based on one letter. A group of letters often have the same sound. Bright, fright, night. That was a frightening experience. Their smiles brightened my day. Singing lightened my heart. Keep practicing. That is how your pronunciation improves. Keep practicing. That is how your pronunciation improves.